my channel. Today's video is going to be super duper fun for my girls. I know मैं ये हर वीडियो में बोलती हूँ बट क्या करूँ, हर वीडियो रहता है इतना फन है मेरे लिए भी एंड आई होप आप लोगों के लिए भी. So without getting into the video, now first I want you to subscribe to my channel and ये वीडियो धमाकेदार होने वाला है तो अभी से ही लाइक कर दो, मैं तो बोलती हूँ. एंड now चलो वीडियो में जाते हैं. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So now let me tell you कि मैं क्यों बोल रही थी कि ये वीडियो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग और फन होने वाला है. Because this video is all about outfit from scratch. Yes guys, I am back. I guess outfit from scratch video I made for New Year's. So last year, matlab it's been like 6 months I haven't made an outfit from scratch video. So here I am back with it, and this time it's going to be something very fun, bossy, floral and sexy. Yes, you heard me right. So today I'm going to show you what we are going to make, which is outfit from scratch in this video. Thumbnail से तो पता लग ही गया रहा है. In this video I am going to show you how we can make blazer and pants or trousers, you can say, in like under rupees 1200. You heard me right. 1200 के अंदर आपका बन जाने वाला है ब्लेजर सूट का सेट, which is going to be very tropical, like fun colors वगैरह रहने वाले. It's not going to be boring. And stay tuned till the end because there is something super fun in between the video or maybe in the end. For that you have to stay tuned in the video to know what it is going to be. So now without any further ado, let me show you what the outfit is going to be and what was the process for it. So now let's start with the whole process thing. If you have missed my last outfit from scratch video where we made like a glamorous one piece out of it, like a dress out of it, then I'll link that also in the description. So if you have missed that video, I'm going to again tell you whole process what it is to make an outfit from scratch. As you don't know or may know, I am a fashion designer, so I really love creating designs and style of my own and getting it stitched. Because sometimes what happens, there is this outfit thing in your head but you can't find it anywhere, and if you find something nearby to it, it's like a hole in your pocket. And today I'm going to show you how you can create it under a budget of 1200, which is very affordable to get your material, get it stitched and get it styled, the whole package in 1200 rupees, which I don't think is expensive or on the pricier side. As you can see, I'm wearing a blazer. I am obsessed with blazers, anything. मुझे आप सुबह lunch date पे, movie dates पे, dinner, parties, for job or anything you tell me, I will have an outfit in my head including a blazer. So that's why I wanted to create a blazer suit for me, which is very fancy fancy and bahar hame na mile. So this is the thing I created in the end. This is the blazer. As you can see, यहाँ पे टैग भी लगा है. टैग एज इन जो मैंने टेलर को दिया था, उन्होंने ये उनका नंबर लिखा था ताकि जब मैं लेने जाऊँ he can find where my outfit is. So I was so excited to show you guys कि जैसे ये outfit आया है मैं तुरंत ये वीडियो फिल्म करने बैठ गई हूँ. I haven't tried it. मैंने सिर्फ देखा है कि ये कैसा लग रहा है, but I haven't seen it on me. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm so excited. दोनों साथ में रिएक्शन देखेंगे कि ये कैसा turned out हुआ है, कैसा लगता है, टेलर ने ठीक से किया है या नहीं, या मुझ पे बराबर फिटिंग्स फिट हुए हैं या नहीं, या जैसा मैंने सोचा था वैसा हुआ है कि नहीं. So मैं बहुत बोल रही हूँ. So now let's get into the process part. So there is 3 things you have to keep in mind. It's a 3-step process for getting your outfit in the end. So the very first process is obviously the design part. So you have to think of it. Now I am a designer, I can sketch my own outfit or sketch the whole thing what I want and what is in my head, but it's not same for you guys as not everyone is a designer over here. So what you can do is you can look up to a designer apps or brand's website, or you can, the easiest thing you can do is go to Pinterest. I also went little bit on Pinterest, little bit on my own. I went on Pinterest just to see how like outfit combo I want, like the colors and the print I was looking for. I knew in my head that I don't want like a basic color wala या कुछ ऐसा blazer. I wanted something printed या floral सा. So then was the first step is done. I selected the design, like you can see I'll pop it right here. These were some images like prints that came across me and I shortlisted those. Now second step, which is going to a shop where you can find those like materials to make that thing. So you can take those photos or your sketches, whatever is it, with you to the like the material guy and you can see around की कौन सा सबसे क्लोजेस्ट है जो आप कर सकते हो. या मे बी ऐसा भी हो कि आपको वहां जाके कुछ इतना अच्छा प्रिंट या कुछ फैब्रिक मिल जाए जिसको लेकर ही आपको ये बनाने का मन करे. सो आई वेंट देयर. सो दैट क्लिप इज नॉट देयर. सो नेक्स्ट आपको वो नहीं देखने मिलेगा कि मैंने फैब्रिक कैसे चूज किया, बिकॉज टू बी ऑनेस्ट दिस फैब्रिक वॉज विथ मी सिंस लाइक 2 years और मोर, बिकॉज आई वॉज इन टू डिजाइनिंग एंड मेरी डिजाइन स्कूल लाइक कॉलेज के अंदर वी हैड टू क्रिएट दिस आउटफिट. सो उसके लिए मैंने ये मटेरियल लिया था, बट द मैम लाइक दिस मटेरियल सो मच दैट शी टोल्ड मी नॉट टू यूज इट एंड टेक सम सस्ता मटेरियल. दो ये भी बहुत चीप था, बट मैम ने बोला कि एज इट्स फॉर प्रैक्टिस डोंट वेस्ट दिस मटेरियल, क्रिएट समथिंग एल्स आउट ऑफ इट लेटर. एंड आई टोटली फॉरगॉट इट. एंड जब मैं ऐसे लाइक आई वॉज क्लीनिंग द हाउस आई फाउंड दिस मटेरियल एंड आई एम लाइक ओ माई गॉड इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट हैज लाइक अ floral thing outside, but it also has like a golden thing material over here, so you can also create like a reversible jacket which is like sone pe suhaga type, something like that. So दो blazer बन जाएंगे. You can also have like a plain side to it and also like a floral side to it. So आप ऐसा भी देख सकते हो. अगर आपको ऐसा material मिल जाए then it's a win-win situation for us. So then I had this material. So now I thought ki I want to make like a blazer, because floral blazer or printed blazers are very much in right now. So I thought of this idea to go for a blazer with this, and then the next clip you will see is clip I showed you where I went to take the material for the bottoms. So ये color combo था. So as you can see there is white over here, there is like a blue, sky blue type, and अंदर जो है वो dark blue है and green. So ये 3-4 colors का combo इसमें चल रहा है. So I did not wanted to go for green because I wasn't confident how it would look on me. So I went for this beautiful blue, royal blue, sort of cobalt blue color. So that looks perfect. And let me tell you guys now that what is the cost I paid for the material. So this jacket material मैंने जो पहले लिया था वो मुझे कुछ पड़ा था 80 rupees का. So 80 rupees for a meter. So I took like a 1.5 or 2 meters. So like 150, like 150 के around मुझे 2 meters fabric पड़ा for the blazer, which is like very cheap. 150 में material मिलना, and it's like a very stiff material. And for this, you won't believe it guys, your girl is a queen. जुगाड़ू लड़की हूँ मैं ये अस्तर वाला फैब्रिक उठा के लाई हूँ जो उसके पास सिर्फ 40 bucks का था. yes. So 80 rupees में से ये पूरा ट्राउजर मैंने बनाया. like the material costed me just 80 rupees. 2 meters fabric, no sorry, I took 2.5 meters. like so मुझे 100 rupees मैंने पे किए थे उसके लिए. so 100 rupees का मटीरियल एंड 150. सो वहाँ पे हमारी कॉस्टिंग अभी तक सिर्फ कितनी हुई है, अराउंड 300-400. दैट्स ऑल वी पेड फॉर द होल मटीरियल फॉर द टॉप एंड द बॉटम. Also I want to tell you guys that please keep in mind that you don't go to like this big shops over there, like जो भी showrooms वगैरह रहते. go to a local market और मनीष मार्केट या ऐसे जो बड़े बड़े मार्केट्स है, नॉट द शॉप और शोरूम्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. वहाँ पे यू कैन गो एंड गली गली में जो छोटी छोटी दुकान रहती है ना, और जहाँ पे आप रहते हो नियर बाय छोटी छोटी फैब्रिक्स की दुकान रहती है ना, वहाँ पे आपको ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत चीप में मिल जाएगी. इफ़ यू गो टू अ शोरूम और एनीथिंग देन 500, 600, 1000 लाइक द रेट्स दे कोट आर लाइक रिडिक्यूलस, जिसमें आप रेडी आउटफिट फिर लेने का मन करेगा. सो मेक श्योर यू गो टू लाइक अ लोकल स्मॉल टाइप शॉप जिसमें वो लोग ज़्यादा मार्जिन नहीं रखते, एंड यू गेट इट द फैब्रिक फॉर लाइक मच चीपर प्राइजेस ओवर देयर. The third and the final step is going to a tailor. Now again you can go to a random tailor. मैं गई थी जहाँ पे मेरी मॉम सूट्स वगैरह कराती है, या जहाँ पे मैंने कभी कभी बेसिक कुर्ते दिए. I just went, I gave him my old trouser and a blazer I had, like जो मेरे पास पहले से पड़ा था. I gave them that both piece and I told them this is the material, this is the आपका outfit, and ऐसा सेम आपको मुझे create करके देना है. And he agreed because उसके पास माप का reference image भी था, like piece भी था, उसके अंदर माप भी था, and he had to just create the same thing. So for pants he costed me, he told me 750, but Guju girl bargaining skills to the highest. मैं 600, मैंने 500 में I tried a lot, but then 600 he took for the bottoms का सिलाई, and he took 500 for this, but then I only gave 400. So 1000 rupees के अंदर मेरा ये दोनों का हो गया सिलाई करा के. So that was the price I paid, like 900 or 1000 I paid for the stitching. So material was for 200, like 100 this, and 80 for 80, 150, 160. So उसका था, so it's almost like close to like 1200, 1300. So that was the range I quoted, and there is the outfit, amazing outfit. Like look at this print, this is so in trend. And but मैंने reversible नहीं बनाया because एज आई सेड लोकल टेलर था तो नहीं माना. बट अगर आपका टेलर मानता है, आपको मिल जाता है, 100-200 एक्स्ट्रा लेता है, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स बैड कि आपको 500-600 सिलाई के अंदर रिवर्सेबल मिल जाए. सो दैट्स द होल पॉइंट बिहाइंड दिस. एंड नाउ लेट मी एंड अस लाइक ट्राई दिस होल थिंग ऑन एंड सी कि ये कैसा दिखता है. ऑल्सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द फाइनल पार्ट, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you want more outfit from scratch videos or any DIY outfit, या कुछ sustainable चाहते हो. I can also make like some sustainable design that can turn out amazing. जो भी चिंदी विंदी आपके पास टुकड़े पड़े हो पुराने, उसमें से भी बहुत amazing ideas है which we can make. So if you want those video, all you gotta do is comment down and subscribe to my channel. And also obviously like this video, share with everyone, let everyone know that you can create an outfit of your own under a rupees 1200, 1300. So yeah, also जो चीज़ के लिए मैं आपको कब से वेट करा रही हूँ कि एंड में आप बीच में आएगा, here is the time. I'm not going to just show you the outfit like simply, I am also going to show you how you can style this blazer cord set, you can say, in like 3 to 5 ways. I'll show you how you can like change it and wear it in multiple ways, not just boring one way. So yeah, that was the thing I made you wait for. So now without any further ado, let's get into this outfit. Look how the blazer and the pants, how it turned out. So it's really good. I love the fitting and everything. As you can see, the blazer fits perfect. The pants are a little loose, as you can see. That is fine. I can get it like altered by an inch. That's totally fine. I love everything. This look is giving me such expensive, bougie, chic vibes. This look which I have styled is like totally for like chic events, any of your events or your fancy meetings or anything, or parties as well. Like a total summer look which I have paired with this steel earrings which is like beaded. Looks so good. The colors I have made look so fresh because it's like a summer look. So I paired it with these top right over here, which don't have sleeves on the one side, and the other side it has the sleeves with this ruffle kind of a thing going over here. This is also a ruffle thing, so the detail really elevates. It doesn't look like a simple casual look, yet it's like simple. So adding such pieces, you can make the look really like effortlessly beautiful. So this is the look, this is the pant we had made for the scratch outfit. Remove the blazer, added this cute top over here, some like different colored earrings, and voila, this is the look. This is the look, you guys. This is looking so good. Screams like colors, colors, colors everywhere. Already the blazer has like a blue and a green. I added a pop of yellow, and now it's looking stunning. The colors are taking away the whole part. It looks so bright. You can totally wear it for like any morning event. It doesn't look like a formal thing. ऐसा लगता नहीं है blazer डाला है तो सिर्फ formal look ही आएगा. You can totally create like a easy breezy look, yet look like a bossy diva over here. So I totally love this. Yeah guys, I forgot to do the outro before, so I'll do the outro right over here. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.